Hi guys, I thought we would color up my little Raggedy Andy I've stamped out. I got this, oh, I don't have the stamp with me, but you can see it. It's a wood stamp. You're going to hear a lot of dings because I'm getting all kinds of cute pictures of my girls over in Davenport. They're doing their Easter today because Sunday my son works. So, anywho, this little Raggedy Andy. And so I thought we would color him up. Something I'm doing a lot of two. But I got out my tri-blends. Let's see here. I'm not ready, of course. Not at all. Let's see. I was going to get True Blue. Here, I think I see it. I think I see it for his pants. I was thinking about, and I need a good red, doing paper piecing him, but it would be, I'd have to do the whole guy, and I just decided, nope, not going to do it. That's a dark, dark red. What's this one? Okay. All right, we'll start with those for now. All right. Well, let's get going. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, can you see me okay? Let's zoom in a little bit. I'll try to stay in frame. All right. So, yeah, it's going to be a quiet Easter since I already celebrated with Brian and Emma and Kristen last Sunday. You know, when you have family, you got to do what you got to do. And Eric, I'm going there for Tori's birthday next weekend, so there's no point in me going 2 weekends in a row. So it is what it is. Nice and quiet. So you might see me on here crafting a little bit. Hope you all are having whatever you do. It's a beautiful day here. Oh my gosh. I went out to my trailer just to kind of take some stuff out there and check on the humidifier, little packs that I put out there. And I went for a good walk. It's so pretty out there. I don't know if I'll go tomorrow or not. It's still, I got to get my lot cleaned up. It's not that I have to have it cleaned up to be out there, but I don't know. We'll see. I haven't decided what I'm doing tomorrow. I got another Papa. I love getting a Papa Murphy's. I have a hard time deciding what to eat for lunch. So not that that's a good healthy meal, but I get a large and I had a coupon for like $3 off and I'll bake it tomorrow and I have lunch for a few days before I head over. And I'll probably film from there because, one, you want to see the girls, I guess. I don't know, I'm assuming. Who wouldn't? They're so cute. And also, me just being there. I'm hanging out for about a day and a half. They're going to take off and do with the family. I stay in Spokane. So I offered to watch their animals for them because they got the chickens. They got, So it'll be kind of fun. And I plan to do some crafting, maybe go to the cute little towns near them. They have some really cute towns. Okay, I'm happy with this. Let's see here. We'll go under here. It does cover up the stitching, however, but that's okay. It's so dark. And this is the mid one. Ish. I'll come in with a light one, which is not that light. But it's kind of a jeans color, I guess. I'm in it now, in it to win it, so there we go. Just kind of, the reason I like the fine tip is, see, I can get in those little spots. Okay, so I couldn't find a picture of exactly this guy, but, Raggedy Andy colors. I did find some images. So yeah, this is with my, you can use any alcohol inks, but I use my tri-blends the most. All right, and then his legs are red striped, red and white. I think I'll do this one. Start here with the dark. And then the medium and the light. Oop, sorry, I'm squeak, squeak, squeak on the table here. I got in my order, I'll share soon, I bought a couple lots from Tina, so you guys will have to check her channel out. I'm telling you, you got to get on it right away. I always have my computer going, my TV going, my phone, so I can watch, because all of her videos, she usually does Tuesdays and Thursdays, so. Yeah, like I need it. But she had some unique ones that I'll show you. I thought were kind of cool. I'd never seen anything like them before, so they have the printed images so you don't have to color with the dies. I thought, well, that's kind of cool. So let's see here. I go like this. Red, for some reason, just a heads up, spreads, bleeds out. So be careful. Warning, warning. And in the center, I'm doing the light. Okay. And then there's one little stripe boy up here. Hopefully you can see. I got my hand right in the way, don't I? Oh my gosh, he's already so cute. Well, I've got my red out. What color is this hair? Isn't it red? I think so. I don't know. I need him. I've saved a couple photos on Pinterest. I'll look up. I think their hair. Yeah, their hair is red. A lot of red. A lot of red on Andy and Raggedy Ann and Andy. Come on, Kim, you can do it. So I'm going to blend that in. So should I do the stars? I think I'll do in red. Is that supposed to be blue? I think that's supposed to be blue. Always keep the colors out in case you got to go back in and figure out what. I think that little square is supposed to be blue. We're going to say it's supposed to be blue. We're going to go with it. I'm going to do the little stripes. It's going to be a lot of red. A lot of red. There we go. Oh my gosh. A little sailor man. How long has Raggedy Ann and Andy been around? I think a long time. I know they were big when I was little, but I think they were around way before that. I know I'm old, but come on. Those little cheeks. Oh my gosh. One thing I do, because I wanted to get some colors ready, is I test out the colors to see if which one on some different piece of paper, just so I know which one is the color I want, rather than go on here and go, oops, which I probably still will. Anyway, I have some, I love saying that, markers too. Okay. But I thought, yes, their hair is red. You probably were all yelling, yes, it's red, of course. I'm going to try the coral. Well, actually, Kim, do what you said. Because I think it maybe have it, yeah, I think it's just a lighter red. So I think it'll be better that way rather than have it exactly like everything else, maybe? I don't know if it'll make that much difference, but we're going to do it. That's my creation and I've decided. Okay. Just kind of where they overlap, I'm coloring it darker. We're trying to. Man, nothing looks small until I get in there and I'm like, okay, well, that's kind of tiny. I'm going in with the medium. Not much. And then I'll go in with the... Now, a lot of times they say to start with the light, so I don't know. I'm not a professional. I just like to color. God, I hope you guys can see over my hand here. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Look at that. It's just a little bit more of an orangey red because it's coral. You know, that makes sense, right? Okay, so now I'm going to turn this and we're going to do the other side, the other hair. His straw little hair here. Or felt or whatever they used to make his fabric, probably. Oh, dark, Kim, dark. Go get dark. So I dropped the kids off the airport. There's an airport like 20 minutes from here, 25 minutes, which is so much better than SeaTac in Seattle, South Seattle. And they were able to fly out of there to Hawaii, so that was awesome. So I dropped them off, and I was able to go to the grocery store before it got too crazy. The problem with the morning time is then they're stocking the shelves and filling everybody's orders. Oh my gosh, it was not as many people, but still could get through the aisles. I don't know which is worse. I'm a fussy. But I had a couple things. I'm going to make some nice country spare ribs, one of my favorite things tonight for dinner. All right, I need some small potatoes. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. Loving him. Oh, and guys, I don't know when if I'm posting this today or another day, but I just ordered from Sweet Miss Daisy Designs. I'm holding off on, she has a new release, holding off until next year for winter time. Each month she brings out there we go, a snowman. So I thought, well, I'll forget I have them, and so, you know. I know there are sites that are people that are doing the year-round snowmen all year round challenges, but oh wait, I gotta do this little star. I think I'm gonna do the stars, even though it doesn't make sense in red. I think so, because it's kind of, he's red, white, and blue, dude. He's a very patriotic little guy. Oh my gosh. Isn't this just adorables? Sorry, I keep praising myself, but I just think he's turned out so cute. I'm going to make his buttons red so they stand out there. Okay. Alrighty, now that's part of his sleeve. See, I get lost in these things, right? So I wanted to do, what did I decide? Let me try it again. I think that's, oh, I was going to do warm gray for just shading the sleeves and the hat. Does anybody use this tip? I never use this tip. I wish they'd get us a fine tip and a brush tip instead of those things. But anyway, so, okay. I'm just going to kind of shade it. Not do it gray, but just kind of highlight it or whatever. Really lightly, and I'll probably come back and end up doing it, coloring it in. Sometimes I do that. Okay, it'd be nice if you could see, right? Okay. So let me know what you guys are doing for Easter. I'm not sad or anything. I'm doing fine. I just, you know, life, when you get grown kids, everybody's doing their thing. And that's okay too. And I have my kids around so much, and I get to go visit mine so much that I think, see, I just did that lightly. I didn't, like, color it in too much. I'm going to do a brown for his shoesies. I guess, I don't know, are his shoes brown? All right, I found my fair skin pens, and I'm going to go in with just the medium. I hardly ever use the dark. It's very rare. Okay. I wonder, you know, look at this. Are those considered his feet? And you're supposed to do them. Anyway, I'm going to do them like shoes. I'm going to do what I got to do. All right. Executive decision. Shadows in here. Sorry. Okay. Oh my gosh. Cute, more cute. Might go in with a little dark though, just to enhance it a little bit. Yeah, okay. So, and then again, overlapping here. So I'm going to go like that. Then I'm going to come in with my medium. And now my light. I actually think I have Raggedy Andy. I thought they were Raggedy Andy and Ann, Raggedy Ann, but I don't think so. I think they're both an Andy, just different. Anyway, I think his shoes are black. His little shoes. Oh, yeah. This is an easy one. This is a real basic, you know, big spaces to color. So super easy. Do not, you know, pick something like this if you're just learning and don't want to be stressed. That's what I would do. Okay, again, I'm going to test up my color. I think I'm going to do this, yeah, ice gray. Yeah. Let's do that. Here his shoes are coming together. He's standing toe to toe. Or not toe to toe. Anyway, he's standing with his feet together. Oh my God. I don't think Bob Ross ever sounded like this. Oh. Maybe anybody still watch there? I know there's video. Did you know that his hair was not naturally curly? He had a perm. It's like he chose to have that hair. Isn't that funny? It's like, really? Are you sure, Bob? But, you know, it was this kind of a signature thing. And I saw yesterday at the thrift store one of those chia pets, a Bob Ross chia pet, because that's perfect for his kind of hair, right? Anyway. But I read that he chose to have a perm. I just think that's kind of crazy. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, I think... Oh, nope, I got to do the stem. Right here. And then we'll be done. Quick and easy, and then I'll make it into a card. I've been cleaning a little bit, kind of finding stuff like Raggedy Andy. Going, oh, I need to use this stuff, so I'm easily distracted. Do you guys do that? You start cleaning and then you want to play. But you know, I live alone. I can do what I want. Oh my gosh, you guys. I think he turned out super, super cute. I might put a little blop of, you know, stickles or something on that part. But, oh, I hope you enjoyed this. I sure had fun making it with you guys. Take care, and if I don't talk to you, have a happy Easter. If this comes on after Easter, then there you go. I hope you had a happy Easter. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.